Hey, tell me, what is the difference between good and well? I mean, I see people using them interchangeably, and I think they don't know the difference. If that's you, stick around, because in this video, I'm gonna give you a quick tip.
Yeah, baby, yeah.
Hey guys, how's it going? Mr. Finn here once again to help you out with some English. And today, I want to cover the difference between good and well. Now, both of these words have at their core the same meaning, but they're different as far as they're different kinds of words. Good is an adjective and well is an adverb. If you're not sure between the two, check out this card here where you can watch my video where I go in more detail about the difference and the differences between adjectives and adverbs. But they are different. How so? Well, adjectives describe nouns, pronouns, nouns. Well, being an adverb. So it describes verbs and adjectives and anything that's not a noun or a pronoun. So I'm doing good. I'm doing well. What's the difference? Something is good, something is done well. All right, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, press that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified when I release a new video. Great, I have fun doing this. I hope you do too. I'm Mr. Finn, and I'll catch you later.
Yeah, baby, yeah.